Hello, I am Alex Kalaskov, founder of Photigy.com, online school for product photographers. I am inviting you to join us on a Pro Club workshop, next Pro Club workshop. And this is completely free workshop for all our members, where you can attend, you can watch it on real time, how we're going to shoot things, and you can ask questions, and basically there is a whole communication is going on. It will be about 1 hour and a half workshop, and you watch it, and then you do your homework, you do something similar, and in 2 weeks I'm waiting for your image to be submitted, for your final image, and I'm going to review it. I'm going to tell you what is good, what is not, and how to improve it if there is any possibility to improve. This time we'll be shooting jewelry. Very interesting, we never did it before, jewelry on ice with some kind of cool lighting and props, and there is a little preview of what will be going on is this. This is the video, but we are going to do a still live shot, and you will see all the preparation, propping, and well, everything. You know how it happens, right? Multiple cameras, chat, and you almost being in the studio with me when we do this. So I'm sure it will be an interesting for any photographer who is going to be or already a commercial photographer, meaning that work for clients. Because shots like this on high demand, this is sort of an advertising shot. It costs a lot. The compensation is huge if you find the right client and you know how to get new clients, right? One of the ways is to have a beautiful portfolio that everyone will jump on and tell, okay, we want this guy to work for us. And look at the image that we did last time on our previous workshop. It was awesome thing, and what you see is about 90% was done right in the camera, and well, our photographers were witnessing this in real time. I'm inviting you to join us. If you are not in Pro Club and want to get on this shot, well, there is a discount. You can use this code to sign up for Pro Club, and not only this workshop, but all our, it's about 600 tutorials from different levels, from beginner to really professional and advanced, will be available for you. You can sign up, you can join this workshop, watch it, and watch everything else, and then you decide what to do. If you missed the workshop, not a problem, it will be placed on Pro Club and you can watch it, and I am looking forward to see your work, and I'm going to review it. See you soon. Goodbye.